Trailblazers, it's Michelle. Thank you so much for joining us. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button below and hit the little bell to make sure that you're notified when we put up new videos. If you don't know me, I'm Michelle Edwards, CPA, owner of Trailhead Accounting Solutions. Those that have been here before, welcome, welcome. I'm so happy to have you back. So today I want to talk about, it is the fourth quarter. Can you believe it? There's only 3 months left of 2019. That is incredible. I don't know about you, but this year flew by. Today I want to talk to you about some tips and some things you can do in the fourth quarter to help you finish the year strong and have your best year yet. Tip number 1, you want to check in on your goals. Pull out that budget you did at the beginning of 2019 and compare. How are you doing compared to your budget? Do you need to do any increase of sales this quarter? Are you hitting your sales goals? Do you need to work on improving profit margins? Or are you set to have a killer year? This is the time to tweak those things in your business, make those little changes so that you can have a killer year. Don't wait until December and January to reevaluate the year, because by then it's too late. So check in, do what you need to do to have this be the best year yet. Number 2, start planning for next year. It is not too early to start putting your plans into place for next year. Draft up that budget, set up your sales goals, start putting together your teamed goals so they know what's coming in the next year. Are you going to launch a new product? Are you launching new services? Start getting the pieces into place so that you can hit the ground running come January. The best thing with this is that it sets you above your competition, because the rest of your competition will be scrambling around the month of January and February, putting all the pieces together for the year. And by the time that's done, they've already missed out on the first quarter. So by putting the pieces in place for the next year, you can hit the ground running January 1st and be ready to have a killer 2020. Number 3, look at your marketing. What can you do with your marketing right now to help warm up some leads, generate some leads, put some interest in your business out in the marketplace, so that once January hits, you are ready to hit the sales floor running, excuse me. You want to hit the sales ground running in January. If you start putting in those marketing for those new products and the marketing, YouTube videos and your Facebook videos, if you wait and start that in January, it takes a couple months for that stuff to take off. So then you're further into the year before you start feeling the effect of the sales. So start your marketing now for what you've got coming up in January. And your last tip, meet with your accountant. The fourth quarter is the perfect time to meet with your accountant because they have time to talk with you. If you wait until March, they are swamped filling out those tax returns, and they are not going to want to talk to you and sit down and spend the time that you deserve. So reach out to them, get on their calendar in the fourth quarter. This is a great time to talk about your reasonable compensation. Make sure that's in target where it needs to be. It's a great time to talk tax strategies. Maybe there's some stuff that they can advise you on and give you tips on things that you can implement during the fourth quarter to help save your taxes. And review your quarterly estimated tax payments so that you don't have any surprise tax bills come March and April 15th when you file those tax returns. Along this line, also, you want to check in with your QuickBooks and your Xero account, depending on which software you use. Are you cleaned up? Is it caught up to date? Are there things that need to be done? Do you just need to hire a bookkeeper because you can't keep up with it? If your books are a mess, if you need a bookkeeper, fourth quarter is the best time to do this, because if you wait until the first quarter, bookkeepers fill up really fast and prices go up because everybody is swamped, scrambling around, getting all these people their numbers done that slacked off earlier in the year. So get in at the lower prices, get in when you get better service, and sign up for those QuickBooks cleanups or hire bookkeepers during the fourth quarter. I hope those tips help you have a killer rest of your 2019 and help you put the building blocks in place to have an incredible 2020. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.